Now let's see what do we mean by custodial services. So it is one of the financial services in which a brokerage or financial institution holds and manages a client's securities or other assets on their behalf. Now these securities can be in the form of dematerialized or in the form of or in physical form. So the storage and safekeeping of these assets is one of the services that are provided by custodians. So a custodian provides an investor a place to store assets with little risk. A custodian business provides a range of security services like safekeeping and settlement, dividends collection and distribution, proxy voting where they vote on behalf of the shareholders, company shareholders, they can come and vote for the company, tax reclaim services, fund administration and providing market news. Some of the examples of the services that are provided by custodians are custody account opening, documentation requirements and facilitate clients during the SEBI registration process. Security safekeeping, that's a core work or core job of a custodian, that is providing the safekeeping services for securities held both in electronic as well as physical forms. Corporate actions, so this involves application made to issuers on behalf of clients, income collection and following up with corporates for, let's say, dividends collection or for bonus shares or for interest or for redemption. Foreign exchange services are also one of the major activities that are done by custodians. A dedicated foreign exchange team helps you to take care of the client needs for currency conversions and risk management products. Proxy services, as I said previously, the voting that has to be done during the shareholders meetings of the company. So the custodial service providers can act as a proxy voters during those meetings and can participate on behalf of the shareholders as a voting authority. Some of the other examples of custodial services are compliance monitoring and regulatory reporting. That is, they monitor the compliance to existing guidelines by investors and facilitate reporting to regulators and local authorities on behalf of the client. Transaction settlement, as a clearing member with the clearing house, they enable the they expedite the transaction settlement process. Standardized and customized reporting, so whatever reporting has to be made, the customized reports are given to the clients at various frequencies to enable clients to efficiently manage their securities portfolio, cash balances and more informed investment decisions.